Hi, welcome back to Air Engine Research. The other day, I had a subscriber ask me how slow this thing can run without stalling. So I thought, well, I got the pressure regulator hooked up and I've got it hooked up to the line, but I don't have it mounted down, so I can't run it very fast on this table. It got a little vibration, so it makes the table shake, but I'll go ahead and run the thing and let you see just kind of roughly how it goes. But it can go real slow. That's probably about as slow as it goes. Hope I don't have my air turned all the way on. That's my safety in case you wondered. I don't think it'll vibrate too bad once I get it in the machine. And I might end up taking this flywheel off too. That might be out of balance too. I don't know for sure. But anyway, I'm not working up here. I have to go in a couple days whenever the doctor gets back from his trip. I've got to get a cortisone shot put in my spine where the vertebrae is. Got some problems pinching on the nerve area. Once I get that done, maybe I'll be able to go back to work. I'm not sure for a while, but so for now, if anyone wants to subscribe, please check the notification bell up at the top and you'll be notified of any new videos, and also when I put this back in my Volkswagen car and hopefully do some testing on how it's running in the car, hook up my air feed on it for supplying the air to make the engine run. But for now, I'm not able to do much, so I'm just going to go ahead and call it a day.